next project, my brand new 1973 Camaro. I ordered it back when I was 16 years old. Been sitting in a garage since about, I don't know, early 80s. Looks a whole lot like this one. Got a black vinyl roof on it. L88 hood scoop. Other than that, looks pretty close to this one. Yep, I get that vent done. That's next. I think I'll work on it outside. A lot warmer. A lot more sun. Maybe I can see what I'm doing. Well, I'm going to show you a quick video how I fixed this lid flat motor. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Be a lot cheaper than trying to buy a new lid. I think it'll work just as good. A whole lot less money. But now that I know it works, I think I'm going to go back inside anyway, lube them gears up a little. I didn't make a video because I didn't know if it's going to work. But now that I do, I guess we can go back, open it back up, put a little lube on it, put it back together. That way I can show you how to make one or fix one. Well, to start with, you just take that hole. It's not a hole there yet. It's got a little opening though, some little slots. Take your drill bit, drill that one right there all the way open. I don't remember what size, but you can figure that one out. Guess it depends on what size boat you're going to use. It don't take a very big hole, but it's already marked for you. You just loosen these bolts up. 10mm. Got one here, one right there. Yeah, you just undo that motor and pull it back out of your way. I just took a bolt. Got a square end on this one, but I guess you can just use a regular one. Stick it in that hole. It's already there, and right there. Stick it through there like that. I just left mine loose. Take your motor out with that bolt right there. Make sure this plastic on the other side's good and square. not wore out. That could be your problem too if it's wore out. Yeah, only lube I can find is going to be in my grease gun. I'm all out. Yeah, just put a little dab on it. Gotta help. Yeah, just coat it with a light coat. That ought to get the job done. Well, I didn't measure that bolt, but what I got left here is about a 1/2 inch sticking up. That works. I just used these needle nose to hold on to it while I screwed the nut. That did the job. Now, just snug it down. I wouldn't go too tight with it. That's snug. That's all I did last time. Yeah, maybe it'll work this time. I guess if it still clicks, just tighten it up till it stops clicking. Yeah, don't over tighten it. You over tighten it, that gear won't be able to turn. Well, it's time to see if it still works. There you have it. It still works. I'll just stick my seat back in. Maybe we can go out and have some fun. Well, it test drives out pretty good. A lot better than it did the first time. Well, probably nothing to do now but get the transmission fluid changed. I opened it up, checked it. It was pretty dirty. Wouldn't hurt to change it. One of my brakes, the other brakes in the front, they could use changing. They're not real bad, but just we'll go ahead and change them. The back ones look brand new. Anyway, it's about done. Then we'll get down to detailing the interior. Get the outside all cleaned up, looking good. Yeah, be ready to have some fun in then. There's Luke. Now you show up for work. Yeah, he's old. He still gets with it though.